Hey everyone, this is Margaret at My Favorite Quilt Store, and I was going to show you the Happily Ever After quilt kit. This is a great quilt for a little girl that has the dream of being a princess one day. Anyway, it's by Riley Blake, and the size on it is 53.5 by 67, so it is a nice size throw, or it could go on top of a twin bed pretty easily, or crib size, whatever you need it for. So it starts out with the storybook panel on the front of Sleeping Beauty. And let's see what it has inside. It's a beautiful box that it comes in. Comes with the directions and full color on how to make this quilt kit. And since it starts with the panel in the center, there's not a ton that you have to do, but we want to make the panel look like a book. So that's what I think is one of the great things about this, is it looks like a book whenever you're done, so that you would be reading. So it has the panel that is the center section of the quilt, which is in pinks and greens and purples. And then it's got this as the top of the book, that's the crowns. And then this quilt, this is the main print that goes around the border. And then it's got all of these supporting prints that you add in for the book binding and the book to make the quilt look like a book. So I really think this is fun. It kind of reminds you of when you're at night reading a story to your grandchildren or to your children laying in bed. It gives them that kind of a feeling that it's a book and that it's a great story that they will have a good sleep to. So anyway, it's called Little Brier Happily Ever After, and we hope you enjoy this quilt kit. Happy sewing!